morning and assalamu alaikum to all parents and students. Today we are doing a new digraph, that is E. I've already told you about a digraph that also had the same sound E. As you can see, we had a digraph that had double E and it was quite short, meaning the sound of this E was quite short. Like it could be different, meaning sheep, sheep, ba-e-bee, fa-eat, feet, meaning a small sound came out from it. So double E was a vowel digraph and it had a short sound, a small sound, you can say. Today we are doing EA, the longer version of this digraph. EA is also a vowel digraph because EA both are vowels. Let's start reading and see what we can learn today from this. This is on page number 26. Wa-a-sa-im, seem. Wasim is eating a meal. Wasim is eating a meal. Now you see we have a doing word over here, eating, meaning this has been done on the present time, meaning he is eating in front of you right now. Wasim is a naming word. Is eating over here is a doing word. Meal. Meal is, the object that we are talking about. And mainly this W should have been capital because whenever we start and whenever there is a proper name given to you, this should have been capital, okay? And we have a full stop at the end of the word. Steam, steam. You see, where is the steam coming out from? It's coming out from the T. T is chai. Steam is bhap. Bean, bean. Bean, beans are different, meaning it could be a lentil, or it could be a pickle, it could be different. Eat, meat. Meat means gosht. Pa-e, pea means matar ka, wo jo ek, that one matar jo ek matar hota hai, and eating, reading. You see, both of these E and N digraph, the consonant and vowel digraph can be joined together and they can form a proper, you can say, doing word. Meaning these three are doing words. You can write over here, doing word, and you see the digraph over here. Both of the digraphs are over here. Ba-e-ta-ing, beating. La-e-pa-ing, leaping. Doing words, and you have both the digraphs used over here. Leaping means to leap over, to jump. Beating means he's beating the cloth to make it he's trying to clean it. Now let's do the reinforcement. Ba-eat, beat, ha-eep, heap, ba-een, bean, ba-eat, beat, ba-eek, beak, da-eel, deal, ma-eat, meet. Now concentrate as the sound is longer, and when you were reading from your previous one. La-eep, leap, la-een, lean, la-eat, lead, la-eek, leak, ha-eel, heel, na-eet, need, ra-eep, reap, cla-een, clean, ra-eed, read. You see, if I had this now this R-E-A-D is read. Most of the time you also read it as read. Eek, teak, ma-eel, meal, wa-eat, wheat, la-eef, leaf, ma-een, mean, ta-eem, team, wa-eek, weeks, ta-eel, steel. Now we have some, meaning these words had this digraph in the middle of them. You see, mostly this is used in the middle of a word, meaning they have 4-letter words. Now the 3-letter words that they have given to us they have this digraph used at the end of the word, meaning to eat. Now here we have at the start of the word. Look, eat, eat. Here at the end, pa-e-p, and here at the end again, sa-e-c. Now let's look at page number 27. We have revision over here. We'll just do it very quickly along with this one. Now they've given you some of, mainly they've given you words. What you have to do is you can use this as an activity, meaning over here you should know how to pronounce the word and you should know where the digraph is used. You should know if it's a blend or a digraph, right? Meaning the, at that, the them, the and then, the is this, in, think, wa-id, with. Now I've told you that TH digraph, the consonant digraph that we use, meaning I've told you about the H family. This is the H, consonant T is used with the consonant H, meaning it comes from the H family, and as you can see this is used in our sentences, ye, wo, hain, and think over here has th, meaning I told you about this digraph, this has 2 sounds, th, meaning the, right? Now this was your first diagram. Now let's look at the second one. We have oo and it has a smaller sound, meaning ba'uk book, ka'uk cook. Now fa'ul fool, sta'ul stool, wa'ud wood, ka'ul cool, wa'ul wool. Now you should know, you should be able to distinguish, to differentiate between the longer and the smaller version of this digraph, meaning book cook was the smaller one, fool stool is the longer one, wood is the smaller one again, because it's not wood, it's wood. Cool is the longer, wool is also longer. Alright, they've mixed it up because this is your revision, you have to be reinforcing this. Now let's look at the third one. Ta'ak, tack, sa'ik, sick, la'ak, luck, ra'ak, rock, peg, peg. Now see, they've used they've used the vowels over here, A, E, I, O and U. So you should know these five, you should be able to make 5 words out of each, digraph. This is a digraph. We have the cook digraph over here. The digraph is here. Now let's look at the fourth one. Wa'el well, ba'il bil, ba'el bel, ga'al gal, fa'ul full, ta'ol tall. Now see again, where is A? A, E, I. We don't have O, but you can write, you can make a word of it, like roll. Roll is a word, right? You can make a word that has R, O, double L, meaning I made a word out of O. They've used vowels in a very good way. Now let's see, U, we also have U. Now this is also your digraph, consonant digraph. Sta'ag, stag, sta'il, still, fa'ist, fist, ba'ist, best, last, stop. Now this is stir. Stir is a blend. Stir is a blend because you can hear 2 sounds. And let's see. Now this is the second family member from H digraph. Sha'ed, shed, wa'ish, wish, sha'ot, short, sha'at, shad, ma'esh, mesh, ga'ash, kash. Now let's was, now, has, his, they, are, my, said. Now these words, you should know the meaning of them. You should know where they are used in a sentence. Meaning you should just ask your child to read these words out loud. Meaning was, now, has, ha is, his, the a, they, are, my, said. Nothing to underline over here. Ka'ib, keeps, ta'ib, steep, ba'i, be, wa'id, weed, sa'id, see. Now this is we're talking about, this one's the longer version, this one's the smaller version. Plan, pla'as, plus, pla'am, plum, pla'ak, pluck, plot, plot. Now, pla'ak, pluck has kuk digraph over here and pla blend also. And in between it has the vowel, U vowel that is used. Now let me see if I can, zoom in for you much better. So you can, just see what I have done. Let me see if it's alright. Now we were on 9. Rich, again we have done H with T, we have done H with S, now we're doing H with C. Bunch, chum, chat, lunch. Now let's move on. We have R, we have stir. R is a digraph. Card, garden, barn, fast and last, a blend. And we have used a diagram, meaning it's tricky. You have to find it out on your own. Hospital, gas, spells, eat, speed. SP over here is a blend. Now let's see number 13. Swan. Swa is a swa. You can hear 2 sounds. It's a blend. Swam, swift, swish, swa eat, sweet. And E is a digraph with the blend. Crab, crash, crash, crush, craft, crib. This is a digraph, okay? Ba'i, be, my, off, ka, ogo, ta, utu, na, o, no, wa'i, we, sky, try. Sky over here, we've already done, this is a blend over here. And the rest of the words, you should know them by your heart. Meaning you should know the sounds and you should know like be, my, off, go, to, no, we, sky, try. What? Meaning we are doing W with H, meaning a digraph. Now we are doing H with W. What, and when, why, where, which, Hu. Here the W is silent, and only we will make the sound with H and O, because we have a vowel over here at the end. All right, it's a 3-letter word. Whenever we have a 3-letter word, the voice changes meaning over here with dry and sky. You see, hitting. We are doing the diagram that has the sound cutting, batting, getting. And what else do we find out here? That all of these words are doing words. Long, bang, saing, sing, rung, thing, thing. Now, all of these words are, except for sing, are naming words, naming something. All right, except for bang as well. Bang and sing are and also run. These 3 words are doing words again, and long and thing are naming words. You can say long is a describing word. Actually, long is a describing word. Yes, so you can say that only thing over here you can say as a naming word, but we do not know meaning. As I've told you in my previous video, that all of these actually are different meaning. You can say these 3 are doing words, this is a describing word, and this one is a naming word, but not a proper naming word. All right, now skip, skull, desk, ask, risk. Is a blend. Club is also a blend. Clap, clip, cluck, slim, slot. Again, both of them were blends. Eat, heat. Now the longer version of E diagram. E mean, e quick, e steel. Now, as you can see, we have done our work. We have done the revision. We have done a new diagram E. I hope this video was informative for you to understand better. Allah Hafiz.